We are doing the fifth question of exercise 11.2. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeters. Take A as center. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeters. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So what do we need to do? We need to first of all draw a line segment of 8 centimeters. I mark this as point A and this as B. Then it says, taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. So taking the radius of 4 centimeters, I make a circle with A as center. Exactly same way. Taking B as center, I need to draw another circle of radius 3 centimeters. So let us do that. So this is 3 centimeters. I take center as B and I make a circle of 3 centimeters now radius. So what is the next step to be done? Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So from A, I need to construct tangents to the circle with center as B, and from B I need to construct the tangents to the circle with center A. So first, if I want to draw the tangents from B point to the circle with center A, I'll be drawing the perpendicular bisector of this AB. So I take the radius more than half, I cut an arc this side and I cut an arc this side. Exactly same radius, I take the compass point here and I cut an arc this side and I cut an arc this side also. Now wherever these two arcs are intersecting, I join these two intersecting arcs to get the midpoint. So I have drawn the perpendicular bisector and wherever this perpendicular bisector intersects the line segment AB, I mark that as the midpoint of AB and I mark it as point M. So with M as center and MA or MB as radius, I'll construct a circle. And you can see it is touching point A and B, both of them. Now this circle that I have made intersects the previous circle with the center A at points C and D, and it intersects a circle with the center B at points E and F. Okay, if I join BC and BD, I'll be getting the two tangents from the circle with the center B to the circle with the center A. So this is the first tangent drawn and this is the second tangent drawn. So I have constructed the two tangents from point B to the circle with the center as A. Exactly same way, wherever this circle is intersecting the previous circle at point E and F, if I join A to E and if I join A to F, I will get the two tangents from A to the other circle. So let us do that. So if I join A to E, I'll get the first tangent. And if I join A to F, I'll get the second tangent. So again, the answer statement is very important. I need to write. So the required tangents from the center A to the other circle are AE and AF, and from B they are BC and BD. Let us just revise the construction. I first of all drew a line segment AB of length 8 centimeters. With A as center and radius 4 centimeters, I constructed one circle. Then with B as center and radius equal to 3 centimeters, I constructed another circle. Now I drew the perpendicular bisector of AB. Wherever this perpendicular bisector intersected AB, that was the midpoint of AB and I marked it as M. With MA as radius, I constructed a circle which intersected the previous circles at CD and EF respectively. I joined BC and BD to get my first set of tangents, and then I joined AE and AF to get my second set of tangents. So I have got this way the tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. I hope that the construction is clear to you. Thank you so much.